See, I've already sent answer key of this chapter number 5 in group. Have you seen that? Swati, Sakshi, tell me. चलो, first. चलिए, question number 1 to 10. Any doubt? Question number 1 to 10. Any doubt? Quickly write down yes or no. Spiral MCQ booklet. Question number 1 to 10. Any doubt? (11 to 20). 11 to 20. Any doubt? Am I audible to you? Yes or no? Any doubt? 18 number. Okay, starting. Swati, unmute yourself. Fast.
Yes, ma'am.
18. A taste cross distinguish between. ये वाला ना?
Yes, ma'am. In this one, in the answer key, second option is given correct, but homozygous recessive नहीं आएगा, ma'am.
See, टेस्ट क्रॉस आपको ये नहीं पूछा है कि टेस्ट क्रॉस occurs between which two. Taste cross occurs between that, you are correct, that homozygous recessive and F1 parent. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? But question क्या है कि टेस्ट क्रॉस distinguish क्या करता है? What is the benefit of test cross? Can you tell me? What is the benefit of test cross? Why should we perform that?
To get the proportion of which are dominant to which are recessive.
No. देखिए, जो F1 है, right? F1, it can be capital T, it can be capital T, small t. Yes or no?
Yes.
Suppose आपके दोनों पेरेंट्स ऐसे ही है, देखिए, तो ये वाला आ जाएगा जीनोटाइप in F1. And if one
Yes,
of them like this, then this one become the genotype of F1. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So F1 parent, F1 जो है, F1 generation, in that exactly which genotype is there, if we want to identify that, for that you will have to perform test cross with this homozygous recessive. The test cross distinguish between the homozygous dominant and heterozygous form. ये homozygous dominant हुआ and this is the heterozygous form. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Clear. Thank you.
Good. चलिए 11 to 20 में any other doubt? No. 21 to 30. 21 to 30. Quickly write down. (26). Okay, Swati. 24, 26. Good. डाउट्स पूछोगे तो यस गुड, इट्स गुड. 24, right? Expected children of a blue-eyed recessive. Blue-eyed recessive meaning this one. ये woman है, right? And brown-eyed dominant men. Brown-eyed dominant men. देखिए अभी इसने क्या करना है. सी ये वुमन के लिए, मैन के लिए दोनों पॉसिबिलिटी हो सकती है. आइदर कैपिटल बी और कैपिटल बी स्मॉल बी. बिकॉज जो ब्राउन कलर है, ब्राउन कलर के लिए कैपिटल बी है. फॉर ब्लू कलर दैट इज द स्मॉल बी. फॉर ब्राउन कैपिटल बी, फॉर ब्लू स्मॉल बी. नाउ सो इन दैट केस कैपिटल बी भी हो सकता है और कैपिटल बी स्मॉल बी फॉर here for a man. So how can we decide exactly what type of genotype is there? So one of the condition is given over here that brown-eyed dominant man who had a blue-eyed mother. Mother जो है, right? Mother का कौन सा है? That's a sorry, my mistake. Blue-eyed. That's the small b, small b. तो obviously ये मैन में एक तो स्मॉल बी आएगा ही. ये किसका डाउट था? साक्षी, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ.
Yes, ma'am.
बोलिए, इतना क्लियर हुआ फर्स्ट?
Yes, clear.
राइट. सो वन ऑफ देम इज द कैपिटल बी. तो चलिए ये पहले फाइनल हो गया कि यहाँ पे मैन में कैपिटल बी स्मॉल बी, फीमेल में स्मॉल बी. नाउ इसमें से दो टाइप के गैमेट्स हो सकते हैं, कैपिटल बी स्मॉल बी, एंड फ्रॉम दिस ओनली वन टाइप. इफ दिस टू mate with each other, then capital B small b, and this two then small b. These are their children. One blue-eyed and another one that's a brown-eyed. Boli, option 3 is given. Is it clear, Sakshi?
Yes, ma'am.
Good, thank you. Chaliye next, Swati. Right, Swati 26 number. Okay. How would you produce 4 o'clock seeds? 4 o'clock प्लांट पता है आपको कौन सा है जिसको 4 o'clock बोलते हैं? Do you know the plant Antirrhinum? Plant name in which the incomplete dominance studied. Swati, unmute.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I had doubt in 4 o'clock seeds only.
Okay.
Like, what is that?
Right. So all of which should yield same color flowers when sown. कोई भी plant दिया है, understand this thing, right? But आपको ये find out करना है, 4 options are given. Out of this 4 option, in which one you will get all the flowers in a same color. तो आप देखिए अगर हम लास्ट ऑप्शन से करते हैं ना, देखें ये वाला कैपिटल आर स्मॉल आर, चेकर बॉक्स बनाते हैं तो ये हो जाता है. राइट. नाउ ऑल यहाँ पे क्या हो जाए, कैपिटल आर यहाँ पे ये वाला. अभी आप कोई सी 4 o'clock सीड है यहाँ पे. 4 o'clock, for that remember that Antirrhinum snapdragon plant, right, in which the incomplete dominance is studied. ये आपको आना चाहिए फर्स्ट कि उसमें इनकम्प्लीट डोमिनेंस स्टडी किया था. अगर आप सिंपल मैंडल का डोमिनेंट रेसेसिव करोगे देन इट विल क्रिएट अ ट्रबल, बिकॉज आप देखोगे तो ये रेसेसिव है, डोमिनेंट है इन दिस वन, राइट. बट ओवर हियर स्वाति, कैन यू टेल मी व्हिच कलर फ्लावर्स आर फॉर्म in this two? Swati?
Yes, it will be red only.
Red. And this two?
Pink.
Pink, correct. Capital R small r for pink. Now next, जो correct option है उस पे चलेगा. That's the capital R small r. तो सब ऐसे ही हो जाएंगे. All will be pink. Understood, Swati?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Right. चलिए 21 to 30 done. 31 to 40 any doubt? 31 to 40 any doubt? Write down the question number. बाकी सारे स्टूडेंट्स को कोई भी डाउट नहीं है? हैव यू सॉल्व्ड इवन दिस सेशन फॉर यू? थर्टी वन टू 40 एनी डाउट? एटलीस्ट नो लिख दो, नहीं है तो आई कैन गो अहेड. राइट. 41 to 50. 41 to 50 any doubt? Okay, Swati. 41. See, if enough crosses are made between male flies of genotype capital A small a male and female का है small a to produce about 1000 offsprings, right? इसका अगर हम फर्स्ट रेशियो निकाले इसका कैपिटल ए स्मॉल ए स्मॉल ए स्मॉल ए तो ये आता है. स्वाति अनम्यूट.
Yes, ma'am.
इतना आपको आया पहले?
Yes, ma'am.
राइट. तो आप देखिए इसमें 1:1 का रेशियो है.
Yes,
दिस
ma'am.
2 and this 2, राइट. 1:1 का रेशियो. सो थाउजेंड्स ऐसे फ्लाइज ग्रो करने हैं. तो वी कैन से दैट 500 विथ कैपिटल ए स्मॉल है, 500 विथ स्मॉल है. यस और नो?
Yes, ma'am.
राइट. अभी आपके पास जितने भी ऑप्शंस हैं, राइट, उसमें से एग्जैक्टली कैपिटल है स्मॉल है. आप देखिए एक तो सेकंड नंबर का ऑप्शन एंड फोर्थ नंबर, राइट. सेकंड नंबर का जो
Yes,
ऑप्शन है ना
ma'am.
उसमें दिया है दैट्स द सेम जीनोटाइप कैपिटल है स्मॉल है स्मॉल है स्मॉल है, बट रेशियो गिवन 750 to 50, राइट. दैट इज
Yes,
रॉन्ग.
ma'am.
फोर्थ नंबर का जो ऑप्शन है उसमें क्या है, यहाँ पे 481 है एंड हियर 519 which is almost nearer to this one,
Yes, ma'am.
right? That's why the answer is 4, because ये genetics है, changes are there, variations होते रहे. So exactly actually according to theory that's a 500 500 1:1, but when the perform then 481 and 519 offsprings are there. Okay, 481 with capital A small a के साथ 51. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. चलिए next doubt. 41 to 50 में next. Okay, 51 to 60 नहीं है तो नो लिखो, है तो क्वेश्चन नंबर लिखो. जैनम अनम्यूट करो. जैनम पटेल સૌથી પહેલા મીટમાં જોઈન થયા ને, સ્લીપિંગ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 50 एपिस्टासिस जो है, okay, that is the extra neat topic that we will teach you at the end of your board exam when the sessions for this neat special sessions होंगे, उसमें हम आपको करवाएंगे एपिस्टासिस. उसके टाइप्स भी होते हैं, डोमिनेंट रेसेसिव एपिस्टासिस. तो वहां पे जस्ट अभी मार्क करके रख दो कि नीट के लिए है. सेम फॉर दैट 51 कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री जीन्स सप्लीमेंट्री जीन्स जो है, राइट. अगेन एक्स्ट्रा टॉपिक्स एक्सक्लूसिवली फॉर नीट we will teach you after that board exam. If you have another doubt you can tell me. No? Then 61 to 70. Okay, 61 to 70. Yes or no? 5, 6, 7. Okay. Wait, huh? 60, 65, 67. चलिए 65. One way of determining sex-linked inheritance is, crisscross inheritance, right? Sex-linked inheritance, in that the crisscross inheritance. कि son, sorry, mother and father, right? Generally, daughters are resembles to father and son resembles to mother. Okay, because मदर में सपोज जो दो एक्स क्रोमोसोम है, फादर में एक्स वाई है, तो सन में तो वाई क्रोमोसोम फ्रॉम फादर, राइट, एंड मदर का ही एक्स क्रोमोसोम आने वाला है. So this crisscross type of inheritance actually that shows the sex link inheritance. Son resembles the mother and daughter resembles the father. 66. Gynandromorph. When body of an organism shows genetically, suppose ये one Drosophila है, right? Drosophila bilaterally symmetrical है, okay? That the wings and all that, antenna. So half portion of, just imagine this type of organism, that half portion of the body that is exactly look like a female, and half portion of this fly that is exactly look like a male. So ये organisms कैसे होंगे? Half male, half female. Can you tell me this type of organisms are fertile or sterile? They can able to produce their progeny. Tell me, fertile or sterile? Which one? This type of organism. One organism has both the parts, male and female. Sterile, correct, Swati. Okay, this type of Sakshi, Devanshi, yes, these are the sterile organism, first of all. Nature में, when genetically changes occur, right, this type of organisms are formed. Some kinds of Drosophila, butterflies are there. They are of this, they belong to this category. Now, so that condition we call gynandromorph. Morph meaning appearance, external appearance. गाइन का मीनिंग क्या होगा? फीमेल. एंड्रो का मीनिंग क्या होगा? मेल. So one organism appear female as well as a male. Half portion of female, half portion of male. बोलो, क्लियर है? गाइनेंड्रोमॉर्फ. Okay. Now this gynandromorph उससे related ही है. Next one. See, साक्षी ने पूछा है दैट्स द ऑक्सोट्रॉफ क्या होगा, राइट? ऑक्सोट्रॉफ का मीनिंग क्या होता है? दैट organic materials are formed, right? Plants can plants nahi, inability of organism to form organic compound for its growth, right? Organic compound form नहीं कर सकते some of the organisms, तो वो ऑक्सोट्रॉफ हो जाते हैं, right? That you call the auxotroph. Another is a, which one? That's the mixotroph. आप लिख लेना if you want this thing. Okay, mixotroph. Remember autotrophic as well as heterotrophic organism. यूग्लिना और इसमें आपने किया था चैप्टर नंबर 2, राइट? प्रोटिस्टा किंगडम में आता है ये. So that you call the mixotrophic, right? And third one, that is the parthenote. Parthenote meaning what over here? That parthenogenesis without fertilization. So organisms are there that produce from an unfertilized ovum. Unfertilized ovum, from that the organism is developed, means the organisms which are developed by parthenogenesis, that you call parthenote. Clear, Saxi? All options. Right. Now, gynandromorph. Okay. Gynandromorph occur due to loss of X chromosome. देखिए, ये XX chromosome हुए. This XX chromosome that is present in embryo. Embryo में you know that the mitotic division occur to form further new cells. See, parents are there, male, female, उसमें gametes form होते हैं, gametes fusion होके embryo, zygote to embryo form. But once the embryo development start, in that mitotic division occur, at that time, mitosis, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Anaphase में कुछ trouble हो जाता है. And what happen over here? Anaphase में actually क्या होगा? Both the X chromosome goes at two different poles. Means one X chromosome in one cell, another X chromosome in another. But over here, that some problem occurring during anaphase in both the X chromosome. See, mitosis होगा like this. ये mitosis है, XX to XX, XX. Now, in one of the cell, that due to certain genetic factor, one of the X chromosome that lost. This X chromosome is lost. And this one possesses still both X chromosome. पहले क्या हुआ? XX chromosome है. Now, in that mitosis occur. So, दो cells ऐसे form होंगे जिसमें भी same genetic constitution mitosis है. But when gynandromorph is there, so in that that cell, in that one of the X chromosome that lost their X chromosome, in another one that remain same as it is. तो इसका जब फर्दर माइटोसिस होगा ना, तो ये ऐसे ही ग्रो करेगा, एक्स 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 लाइक दिस. इसका जब अभी इसको हम X0 कंडीशन बोले, इसका जब अभी माइटोसिस होगा तो क्या होगा? सारे सेल्स में अभी X0 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 लाइक दिस, राइट. नाउ, ड्रोसोफिला में आपने एक लर्न किया है थियरीज ऑफ सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन के XX दैट डिटरमाइंस व्हाट? फीमेल और मेल सेक्स. XX chromosomes that determines what? Female or male? Can you tell me? बोलो. Swati, unmute.
Yes, ma'am. It is male, I guess.
Wrong. XX for female. Human के जैसा ही है उसका. Okay. XX for female. Okay. And male के लिए होता है XY. ये normal condition है. Right? ये normal condition है. But so many different kinds of genetically variable Drosophila are grown in laboratory. So in that the ये discovered हुआ है that X0 containing X0 है, तो अभी इसको हम किसमें that consider करें? ये मेल है या फीमेल? Right? Y chromosome भी नहीं, another X chromosome भी नहीं, only one X chromosome. So in that case, okay, this thing already revealed that by study, X0 containing Drosophila are male. They are male but sterile. XY वाले भी क्या है? Male but fertile. Right? So X0 X0 पार्ट होता रहेगा तो ये मेल हो जाएगा. XX वाला होता रहेगा तो ये फीमेल हो जाएगा. जैसा भी हमने ग्राइनेंड्रोमॉर्फ में लर्न किया, राइट, दैट हाफ पार्ट सपोज मेल का है तो यहाँ पे सब आपको सेल्स में क्या मिलेगा? X0 X0. हाफ पार्ट लाइक अ फीमेल तो आपको उसमें XX मिलेगा पार्ट क्रोमोसोम्स. So loss of one of the X chromosome, that is one of the reason for gynandromorph. बोलिए क्लियर. साक्षी, सॉरी स्वाति. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट किसको डाउट है? 68 पुष्टि. बोनेलिया. See, sex determination theory is actually आपकी बुक में जस्ट एक ही दिया है, on the basis of genetic constitution. But environmental factors also decides कि whether males are formed or females. That embryos convert into male or female, that thing is determined by environmental factor, right? You know that one of the example, crocodile. Okay, crocodiles जो है, तो crocodiles में मेल क्रोकोडाइल्स फॉर्म होंगे या फिर फीमेल क्रोकोडाइल्स फॉर्म होंगे? बेबी क्रोकोडाइल कौन से होंगे? That thing determine the temperature. Okay, that thing determines the temperature. If high temperature is there, then it converts into male, and if low temperature is there, then it converts into female. Same for tortoise. Tortoise के eggs आपने देखा होगा ना डिस्कवरी पे या मूवीज में कहीं पे. That tortoise are there. Okay, they reach to the that sand में first dig out that sand, make a gadda like structure. Okay, then make a peat like structure, and then this the tortoise deposit their eggs over there, and उसके ऊपर फिर एक thin layer sand का कर देता है. Have you ever seen this thing? In this way this tortoise deposit their eggs. Tell me. In this. So if high temperature is there in case of tortoise, then it produce female. And if low temperature is there, then male formation. So environmental factors are also responsible for the determining the sex. In that, one more example is there, Bonellia. Okay, Bonellia is an aquatic annelid. Bonellia is an aquatic annelid organism. Now, Bonellia में क्या होता है पता है? Just wait, I'll show you the pic. Is my voice lagging now? Pusti? Okay. I'll show you the pic. This one. बोनेलिया को स्पून वर्म भी बोलते हैं. It looks like a spoon, green spoon worm actually. Right? It has an extended proboscis. Now, male Bonellia and female Bonellia. Male Bonellia, can you make out female Bonellia के अंदर ये सारे male Bonellia है over here. Their size, imagine 3 mm. How much small? Okay, and female Bonellia is a larger one. Now, so male Bonellia जो है ना, उसकी life that always that throughout their life it remain inside the female Bonellia. Male Bonellia throughout their lifespan remain inside the female Bonellia. Now, अभी इसमें कैसे होगा? So Bonellia, female Bonellia is there. Female Bonellia के अंदर eggs form होंगे. Eggs के साथ यहाँ पे मेल बोनेलिया है वो स्पर्म्स मेल गैमेट फॉर्म करेंगे, मेल गैमेट एंड फीमेल बोनेलिया. Okay, both they perform over here fertilization, and these gametes perform fertilization, and that then their zygotes are released outside into the water. Zygotes are released outside into the water. Now, once the zygotes are released outside, then what happened that if this zygote, okay, if this zygote, it will comes in contact with, once they are released, and it will comes in contact with this bonelia, another bonelia. So वो क्या हो जाएंगे, वो enter हो जाएंगे into the female part, female bonelia. These zygotes enter into female bonelia, and what happen, once it comes contact with the female bonelia, it convert, that zygote embryo converts into male, and those zygotes which are not comes in contact with this female bonelia, right, they grow away from this female bonelia, they all grow as a female. So female के inside में आ जाते हैं, वो सारे males हो जाते हैं, and जो बाहर रहते हैं, right, that zygotes, they convert into female bonelia. Okay, so sex is determined by environment over here. Here which environment? So if, sorry, female, if over here this zygote comes in contact with female bonelia, so female bonelias, that organism, in their body the environment is there. If female body's environment is there, then this organism or this zygote converts into male. And if zygotes remain outside from the female bonelia, in outside condition, outside environmental condition, then it converts into female. That is the example, one of the example for environmental sex determination theory. बोलिए, clear है? पुष्टि. Okay, good. Next. Next, any other doubt? चलिए, 71 to 80. 71 to 80. Write down the question number fast. 71 to 80. If no doubt, then write down. No, okay, 75. 73 सबको समझ में आएगा. It's good. चलिए 75 करते हैं. Yes. 75 in that, in a cross in Drosophila, the heterozygous animal with gray body. Okay, heterozygous animals are that gray body and long wings. उसको ये फॉर्मेट में यहाँ पे है. That's a, sorry, gray body and long wings. Now, crossed with which one? Animal with black body and vestigial wings. Now, the progeny has the animals in the following ratio: gray vestigial, gray long, black longs and black vestigial. Ratio ये है, इसका है 24, then 126, 26 and 124. Now, what is the frequency of recombinants in the population? Okay, पहले आपको total population count करना पड़ेगा. Total population कितना है? Can you tell me? Total population कितना होगा यहाँ पे? बोलो. How can you find out the total population? Yes, एक का आंसर 300, एक का 400, इतना ज्यादा डिफरेंस. 300, correct, right? 126 124. Okay, 24 and 26. ऐसे 300 आएगा यहाँ पे रुद्रा. Okay, now next is what? Total population is 300. So कहना ये देखिए, ये पेरेंट्स है, ग्रे बॉडी, लॉन्ग विंग, ब्लैक बॉडी, वेस्टिजियल विंग. नाउ फाइंड आउट ग्रे बॉडी, वेस्टिजियल विंग, ऐसे कोई पेरेंट्स है? टेल मी क्विकली, यस और नो. ग्रे बॉडी, वेस्टिजियल विंग्स के पेरेंट्स है यहाँ पे? यस और नो? नो, राइट. सो ये रिकॉम्बिनेंट हुआ. नेक्स्ट, ग्रे बॉडी, लॉन्ग विंग, yes, over here. Then black body, long wing, again no. Black body, vestigial, yes, this one. So in this case, these two are actually the recombinants. So simply आपको क्या find out करने, what is the frequency of recombinants? So 300 में इसका addition करो, 24 plus 26 कितना होगा? 50. So out of 350 are recombinants. So 100 में से कितने? 100 into 50 divided by 30 आप करोगे, आप करके देखो, ये आंसर आता है 16.77. बोलो. यस, दैट्स हाँ. ओके, चलिए क्लियर है. 75 स्वाति पांडा. ओके, चलिए एनी अदर डाउट? गुड. 81 to 90. ओके, 73 पुष्टि. यस, अभी आ गया है ना. चलिए 73. 73 in that, सी आपको ये क्रोमोसोम का डायग्राम दिया है, आपको हॉरिजॉन्टल वे में दिया है. आई एम डूइंग इन दिस मैनर. आपको फॉलो करना है कि लाइंस कहाँ पे जाते हैं. देखिए एग्जैक्टली ऐसा होता है. यहाँ पे है कैपिटल ए, कैपिटल ए, कैपिटल बी, कैपिटल बी, स्मॉल ए, स्मॉल बी, स्मॉल ए, स्मॉल बी. अभी इसमें मियोसिस हो रहा है. मियोसिस मीन्स वन ऑफ द इवेंट दैट्स अ क्रॉसिंग ओवर. सो ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम जो आउटर स्ट्रैंड है ये वाले, दैट शोज द क्रॉसिंग ओवर एक्चुअली. आप देखो केयरफुली, ये दिस वन गोज ओवर हियर and this one goes over here, and then center inner side के जो chromatids है वो as it is है. पुष्टि, unmute yourself. पुष्टि,
हेलो.
हाँ बोलिए. इतना क्लियर है आपको फर्स्ट?
यस.
राइट. नाउ जो आपकी बुक में है, पहले ये डायग्राम हम ऐसे कर देते हैं. राइट. नाउ अंडरस्टैंड दैट इनर वाले तो एज इट इज है, उसमें कोई चेंज नहीं है, बट आउटर वन शोज द क्रॉसिंग ओवर. तो यहाँ का जो कैपिटल ए है, okay, capital A that goes at this side, capital A to capital B, and this side small a with small b. आपको पहले इतना क्लियर है? ये माय मिस्टेक, यहाँ पे कैपिटल ए कैपिटल बी है. पुष्टि, पहले इतना क्लियर है?
यस मैम.
राइट. नाउ इमेजिन कि अभी ये दोनों का सेपरेशन हो रहा है, तो कौन से स्ट्रैंड्स आपको मिलेंगे एग्जैक्टली? ये सेपरेट हो गया तो ये कैपिटल ए नाउ गोज विथ व्हिच वन? कैपिटल बी, सॉरी स्मॉल बी. देन इनर साइड में तो कोई चेंज नहीं है, कैपिटल ए बी, स्मॉल ए बी, एंड यहाँ पे ये क्या आ जाएगा? स्मॉल ए कैपिटल बी. पहले इतना क्लियर हुआ पुष्टि?
यस.
नाउ वन थिंग इज, सी ये सीक्वेंस होगा, कैपिटल ए स्मॉल बी, कैपिटल ए कैपिटल बी, स्मॉल ए स्मॉल बी, स्मॉल ए कैपिटल बी. नाउ Why should we count in this double? आपको जो options में दिया है ना, like capital A small b है तो ऐसे दो दिए हैं, capital A B के दो दिए हैं. Why? Because for that you should remember that Neurospora belongs to Ascomycetes fungus. In that ascospores are formed in ascus. Total, can you tell me total number of ascospores how many? पता है? 8. फंगस में आपने ये लर्न किया है. टोटल नंबर ऑफ एस्कोस्पोर. सो ये सारे डबल में आ जाएंगे. इसके दो होंगे, दो, 2 2 2 लाइक दिस. पुष्टि फाइंड आउट एग्जैक्टली आपको ये सीक्वेंस इन डबल मैनर किस में मिल रहा है? इन विच ऑप्शन? दैट फर्स्ट 2 कैपिटल ए स्मॉल बी, देन कैपिटल ए स्मॉल बी वाले दो, देन स्मॉल ए स्मॉल बी वाले दो, एंड स्मॉल ए कैपिटल बी वाले.
ऑप्शन 4.
यस, बोलिए. क्लियर हो गया पुष्टि आपको ये डाउट?
यस, क्लियर.
Right. Any other doubt? Sorry, 81 to 90. 81 to 90. Quickly write down at least yes or no. Ninety-one to 100. 91 to 100. No doubt. 1012 1110. सॉल्व नहीं किया है, क्या है? 1012 110. 1112 120. Am I audible? उसमें तो यस और नो लिख दो. हाँ, thanks. Now tell me, 121 to 130. Any doubt? Honestly बताओ, ये सॉल्व किया है कि नहीं किया है अभी? Okay. Right. चलिए, जिसमें ओके that I know कि आपको confusion होगा, doubt आएगा. That questions I am giving you, quickly solve that and we will discuss. Okay. First question number 137. Question number 137. Solve this. Number of bar bodies in super female. Sorry, 4x. Do you know this thing? Yes or no? Right. See, bar body. Okay. With the help of the bar body, at the embryonic stages, we can determine that whether it's a male is there or female. One of scientists named Baer and Battram find out these bar bodies. Right? इसको dosage compensation भी बोलते हैं. Now, simple जो आपको learn करना है अभी for time being that I am giving you, that when female has a 2x chromosome, one of the X chromosome during the interphase, remember, note down, one of the X chromosome during the interphase, that get condensed form, inactive form, condensed form. One of the X chromosome, 2X chromosome है, so 2 में से एक X chromosome क्या हो जाएगा? Inactive. फॉर्मूला ये है, नंबर ऑफ X chromosomes -1. Number of X chromosomes -1. That thing helps to determine the number of bare bodies. Okay. So can you tell me, suppose मेल है XY, तो उसमें कितने बार बॉडीज होंगे? फॉर्मूला आई हैव गिवन टू यू. 0, करेक्ट, राइट. नेक्स्ट, देन XX कंडीशन में कितने होंगे बार बॉडी? XX में 1. ये कंडीशन में कितने होंगे बार बॉडी? XYY. देवांशी 3, रॉन्ग, 0, राइट. नेक्स्ट, ये कंडीशन में कितने होंगे बार बॉडीज? 1, करेक्ट. नंबर ऑफ X क्रोमोसोम -1 फॉर्मूला. सो आपको ये कंडीशन दिया है, तो कितने होंगे बार बॉडीज? करेक्ट, दैट्स द करेक्ट आंसर, 3, राइट. Then solve question number 145. Question number 145. हेक्साप्लॉइड वीट दिया है. हेक्साप्लॉइड वीट मीनिंग 6n कंडीशन, राइट. 6n का ये आपको आना चाहिए. 6n इज इक्वल टू 42 आता है वीट के लिए. 6n इज इक्वल टू 42. अभी इसका हैप्लॉइड पूछा है. कैन यू टेल मी हैप्लॉइड किसका हो? इसका हैप्लॉइड अगर आप करोगे तो क्या वैल्यू आएगा? अब इसका हैप्लॉइड करोगे तो क्या वैल्यू आएगा? रॉन्ग रॉन्ग रॉन्ग, स्वाति रॉन्ग. हैप्लॉइड, हैप का मीनिंग होता है हाफ. हैप का मीनिंग क्या होता है? हाफ. आपको 6n का भी हाफ करना है, 3n. 42 का भी हाफ करना है, 21. सो हैप्लॉइड अगर है देन 21. बट इफ एनीवन आस्क इन सिंगल सेट ऑफ क्रोमोसोम, राइट, इन दैट हाउ मेनी नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम? सिंगल सेट में कितने क्रोमोसोम्स होंगे? देन योर आंसर, yes, now the correct, that n is equal to 7. 42 को 6 से डिवाइड करो या फिर 21 को 3 से, the answer will remain same, 7. बोलिए, is it clear? Then
Ma'am,
166 सॉल्व करो. 166. A male human is heterozygous for autosomal gene capital A and capital B and is hemizygous for hemophilic gene. देखिए, मेल है, ह्यूमन मेल, ऑटोसोमल हेट्रोजाइगस. आप ये फॉर्मेट में लिखोगे, कैपिटल ए स्मॉल ए, कैपिटल बी स्मॉल बी, एंड हेमीजाइगस फॉर हीमोफिलिक जीन. सो मेल के लिए है तो हम ऐसे लिखेंगे XY और इसके ऊपर हीमोफिलिक जीन. ये एक मेल का जीनेटिक कंस्टिट्यूशन है, राइट. ट्राई हाइब्रिड कंडीशन वी कैन से दैट. नाउ आउट ऑफ from this male, how many different kinds of gametes are formed? That you will have to tell me. Tell me first, what type of gamete is formed? Okay, before that, can you tell me how many different kinds of gametes are formed? Only how many different kinds of gametes are formed if this type of constitution is given? Swati, correct. 8 is the correct answer, right? How? Tri-hybrid condition है. Tri-hybrid condition in that to find out the gametes. पता है मैंने आपको बोला 2n करना है. N is equal to number of heterozygous, that is 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. Now, so total 8 gametes hai. Out of these 8 gametes, in which one that sperm will have small a, b and h? ये आपको find out करना है. Tell me first, what type of gamete is formed? In that which alleles come? चलिए quickly tell me. कैपिटल ए, कैपिटल बी. पहले x के साथ कर दो कॉम्बिनेशन. कैपिटल ए स्मॉल बी लाइक दिस. स्मॉल ए कैपिटल बी, स्मॉल ए स्मॉल बी, राइट. अभी y के साथ करो सेम. इससे ज्यादा कॉम्बिनेशंस नहीं फॉर्म हो सकते. बोलिए क्लियर. Now tell me how many sperm will have this small ABH? Only this one. That's why the answer that's 1 by 8. Is it clear? Right. Then next, solve this question number 162. 161, sorry, 161. First solve 161. In a hospital on the same day, 5 children were born to different couples. What is the probability? Right? देखिए इसके लिए भी यही फॉर्मूला यूज करना है. 2n. ये प्रोबेबिलिटी का है. मैथ स्टूडेंट्स नो दिस थिंग. n is equal to what? That number of couples. Sorry, that's the 5. And 2 into 2 into 2 into आप करोगे, then the answer will come 32. Right? In that 32 probabilities कैसे आपको find out करने हैं? So maybe say 5 couples are there. First, we consider that all will have a daughter, 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 daughter. Then consider daughter, boy, daughter, boy, daughter. Then daughter, 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 boy. Then boy, 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 daughter, daughter. Right? Like that, you can make total number of possibilities. That's the 32. Out of this 32, one of the probability is there. In that, you will get all will be boys. Right? So answer is 1 by 32. बोलो clear हुआ ये? Understood? Now solve question number 162. Capital A small a, capital B small b, capital C small c, capital D small d. आपको एक जीनोटाइप दिया है, क्रॉस करना है. सेम इसको इसके साथ ही क्रॉस करना. How many types of phenotypes will be produced in a cross involving genotypes this? Can you tell me first of all how many different kinds of gametes are formed from this? Correct. 2 raised to n. देवांशी देखिए इसमें 4 है heterozygous. देवांशी, yes or no? So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 करना पड़ेगा ना. So answer will come 16. Right? वही आपका आंसर है. सिंपल फॉर्मेट. फाइंड आउट नहीं करने बैठना है एवरी टाइम. कैपिटल ए, कैपिटल बी, कैपिटल सी, कैपिटल डी, फिर इसका स्मॉल सी, कैपिटल डी, लाइक दिस. नो, ये शॉर्टकट है 2:n, राइट। चलिए, सपोज ये क्रॉस, ये जीनोटाइप है, कैपिटल A कैपिटल B, कैपिटल C स्मॉल c, कैपिटल B स्मॉल d, राइट। हाउ मेनी डिफरेंट, सी फर्स्ट जो है ना ये वाले हमने गैमेट्स एंड फिनोटाइप्स दोनों के लिए फॉर्मूला है 2:n। जीनोटाइप्स का फॉर्मूला है 3:n। Genotypes for that formula is what? 3:n. So can you tell me, if this thing is given, then how many different kinds of genotypes will be produced? How many different kinds of genotypes? Yes, correct. N is equal to hetero. देवांशी कैसे ये हुआ 81? Genotypes एक ही आपको ये दिया है ना, that is 9. Simple. 3:n. हाँ, ये दोनों ही क्या है देखिए, हिट्रोजाइगस है, तो 3 into 3 सिंपल 9। नंदिनी क्लियर है? राइट, वो आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 163 था। चलिए 164। 164, if capital A and small a shows incomplete dominance, कैपिटल A स्मॉल a क्या शोज करता है? इनकम्प्लीट डोमिनेंस। कैपिटल B स्मॉल b क्या शोज करता है? मेंडल वाला डोमिनेंस, कंप्लीट डोमिनेंस के वन इज द डोमिनेंट, अदर इज द रिसेसिव। व्हाट विल बी, अगर ये फॉर्मेट के एक इनकम्प्लीट डोमिनेंस है, अनदर वन इज अ कंप्लीट डोमिनेंस इज देयर, if cross occurs between these two genotype, capital A small a, capital B small b, capital A small a, capital B small b, right? But consider, remember that capital A small a for which one? Incomplete dominance. Capital B small b for which one? Complete dominance. Okay, now इसको short में कैसे आप कर सकते हो? So here you will have to find out simple way. You know, first of all, can you tell me what is the ratio for incomplete dominance? Phenotypic ratio क्या होता है? What is the phenotypic ratio for incomplete dominance? Write down. Remember or not? Genotypic ratio, phenotypic ratio, incomplete dominance, red flower, white flower, pink flower. Yes. Okay. So incomplete dominance का ratio था 1:2:1 phenotypic. Can you tell me when complete dominance is there for single character, what is the phenotypic ratio? Yes, 3:1, correct. Right? Phenotypes अगर find out करना है simple, now you can use this method. कि आपको क्या करना है? You know that पहले 1 जो है, right? 1 को 3 से multiply करो, 1 से करो, then you get 3:1. फिर 2 को 3 से multiply करो, same at the time 1, then same for last one, so 3 and 1. Directly you will get the ratio. No need to find out entirely. 3:1:6 is okay. 2:1:1. Now आप ऑप्शन देखो, 4 ऑप्शन, उसमें से सीक्वेंस चेंज है, 3:6:3:1:2:2:1, but you will get all values over here. Is it clear? Understood this thing? ये शॉर्टकट है, okay? चलिए नेक्स्ट। चलिए 183 नंबर का सॉल्व करो 183 normal vision man, so capital C, right? Whose father was colorblind, father क्या है colorblind, small c and capital Y. Next, this man marries a woman, so woman के लिए woman father was also colorblind, sorry, small c. Can you tell me ये woman का जीनोटाइप क्या होगा? नॉर्मल विजन मैन whose father was colorblind, तो ये इसका ये हो गया, right? Yes, correct, Swati. Then this man marries a woman whose father was also colorblind. So father में से तो compulsorily colorblind वाला allele आने ही वाला है, one of them, that's the small c, and then another one is a capital C, right? Now cross करना है आपको. They have their first child as a daughter. What are the chances that this child would be colorblind? See, simply you will have to find for a daughter. So no need to cross with this Y chromosome. This X chromosome and this one, when mate with each other, then capital C, capital C. When these two mate with each other, then capital C, small c. इससे ज्यादा कोई combination नहीं. Can you tell me what is the percentage that how that daughter would be the colorblind? Swati? Capital C is a dominant, na? Nandini, correct. Swati, tell me. Correct, Sakshi. Swati, unmute karo. Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, अभी समझ में आया ना?
Yes, ma'am.
If a capital allele is there, dominant allele is there, recessive will not express. Color blindness तो recessive disease है ना? Right? चलिए.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Last one. Solve question number 184. Solve question number 184. If both parents are carrier for thalassemia, you know that it's an autosomal recessive disorder, right? Carrier, so we write in this form, heterozygous form. Now, which is an autosomal recessive disorder, so what are the chances of pregnancy resulting in an affected child? Just simply do this thing, capital A, capital A, capital A, small a, cross like this, right? These are the possibilities are there that you can find out in an offspring. So how much chances are there over here that child will be affected? Bolo. Correct. Only one is there, 1/4 hai. So 25%. In between आपको कोई doubt है तो बोलो. As such, you have not solved this thing, right?
મેમ
हाँ बोलो.
પેડિગ્રી એનાલિસિસ માંથી કોઈ એક કે બે કરાવી દો ને તો બીજા સોલ્વ કરવા ના ખબર પડે.
Okay, चलो. Pedigree. Okay, चलो. First earlobe के लिए करते हैं. Earlobe, remember, free earlobes, as we have discussed in practical also. Earlobe, free earlobes is a dominant character, and fused earlobe, that's a recessive character. So ये पेडिग्री है सपोज ओवर हियर. राइट. ना ये फ्यूज्ड सॉरी ईयर लोब्स के लिए है. शेडेड थिंग इंडिकेट्स व्हाट, दैट्स द फ्यूज्ड ईयर लोब. दिस पार्ट इंडिकेट्स द फ्यूज्ड ईयर लोब. ओके. चलिए नंदिनी अनम्यूट कीजिए.
Yes.
Can you tell me first of all it's a recessive or dominant pedigree?
Recessive.
On the basis of what? Bolo. Remember that one line. If affected parents are there. Yes or no? Affected parents, unaffected parents.
Yeah, ma'am, affected parents હોય તો recessive અને unaffected હોય તો dominant.
Wrong. Affected parent अगर affected होंगे dominant में तो ही तो recessive disease that will be carried to their children. Yes or no?
Yes. એટલે બંને અગર affected હોય તો dominant આવશે.
Anyone actually. And if parents are not affected, still their child or children will have disease that you call recessive. Because यहाँ पे suppose ये genotype है. So here the chances is there for smallest. Yes or no? Right? ये some of the pedigrees are exceptional actually. ये इसमें belong करता है. इसमें just आपको क्या find out करना है? That genotypes. You know that the fused ear lobes are recessive. So first fill with shaded part with the smallest because recessive homozygous condition में ही express होगा. Right? अभी ये daughter है, affected है. These are the parents. One small a from father, other small a from mother. But mother is normal, so write one dominant allele over here. Okay. Now, son capital A small a. इसके daughter में भी same capital A small a, son में भी same because small a compulsorily come from the father and from the mother. That's the if normal condition is there then capital A. Right. Next. यहाँ पे ये small a है तो यहाँ पे one small a from father but father is normal phenotypically so capital A. Same यहाँ पे भी capital A small a. देखिए यहाँ पे क्या होगा पता है most probably capital A because none of the child that shows disease condition. Right? Suppose capital A small a होता है यहाँ पे तो chances are there that one of the child shows that disease. So most appropriate यहाँ पे क्या आएगा capital A small a. Capital A over here and here capital A small. बोलिए clear है?
મેમ મેમ આ પેરેન્ટ્સ માં તો બે કેપિટલ એ છે જ નહીં ને તો પછી આ સન માં કેપિટલ એ કેવી રીતે આવશે?
કયા લાસ્ટ આ પેરેન્ટ્સ ની વાત કરો છો?
હા ના એની ઉપર જે ફર્સ્ટ પેરેન્ટ્સ આપ્યા છે એની અંદર એકમાં જ કેપિટલ એ છે.
Over here?
यस मैम. तो પછી
आप देखो यहाँ पे मैंने लिंकेज बनाया है.
ओके हाँ राइट हाँ चाहे बीजो છે राइट.
That's from another parent ना.
ओके ओके.
चलो नेक्स्ट पेडिग्री. Next is this one. right? In this आपको find out करना है. Can you tell me first of all, it's a dominant or recessive? Just now we have discussed 2 lines for that. On the basis of that information, can you tell me this one belongs to dominant or recessive? Correct. Unaffected parents, but still the child will be affected. That's the recessive. Now, next is what? कोई भी disease का name कुछ भी नहीं दिया है. Just you will have to find out. The trait which is expressed in this pedigree that is related to autosomal condition or sex-linked condition. Right? See, one thing over here that can you make out that here mainly the males are affected? Yes or no? Only the males are affected actually. Okay. So you go with which one? Autosomal or sex-linked? Correct. Sex-linked. Okay, sex-linked recessive. You know, sex-linked recessive disease that mainly that proportion occurs in male, that's the higher compared to the female. Because male has only one X chromosome, right? Next. Suppose ये pedigree है. आपको जीनोटाइप्स फाइंड आउट करने में कोई ट्रबल है? Yes or no? How to find out the genotypes in pedigree? Write down yes or no. And see, simply remember, as I told you, most of the time the pedigree that come in exam, that's the autosomal recessive. Okay? Now, so any other doubt in this thing, in this chapter, in spiral MCQ booklet? Any other doubt? Do you need practice of anything that you want to how to solve this counting based MCQs from this chapter? So see, we will send answer key of chapter number 6, small bio, evolution, and 11, 12, right, in a group today. Is there any chapter, answer key of any chapter remaining? Other than this 4? Right. Already shared. Pusti, just unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो.
मैं MCQ में आंसर के मोकले ही चला मैं स्पाइरल में.
Evolution also?
हाँ.
Okay, then it's okay. So now, आपका जब second GT, second जो part 2 का जो round है ना, that will be completed on which day? Ma'am will send a message same like that first GT जैसा भी एक round हुआ doubt solving का. Same way second round will be there. Okay, in that we will solve the doubts of your this remaining chapters, chapter number 6, 7, 11, 12. Clear? And please solve करके आना. Okay? Right. Now you can leave. Goodbye.